Assalamu alaikum, doctor. I'm Abdullah Nafis from Group 5. Now I'm going to present the individual assessment on leadership. So, the project background. The aim of our project was to upgrade the existing English Malay dictionary system that's owned by Dewan Bahasa dan Pustaka. In this project, we have created a new upgraded system as part of this initiative to make the translation more easier. The user may simply log into the system and search for a word to get the translation of it. Our approach was to make a computer system of Oxford or Cambridge dictionary. So our system name is Dictionary for You. The system domain is Pusat Rujukan or Suratan Melayu system. And the system stakeholders are Dewan Bahasa dan Pustaka, the general public of all ages, and the system administrator. Now self-reflection, experience that I have gained during the software engineering course. Each team member has their own set of distinctive signature skills and abilities. I now have the understanding of how to lead a team and assign tasks to the team members based on their talents and shortcomings. Additionally, I have discovered that if team members are not given assignments to their extent, the work may be insufficient or incomplete. To complete the team's passion and to maintain the team's passion and confidence, members should be able to aware of their own skills and one another's abilities. So, what are the critical knowledge and skills that should be possessed by the leader to ensure the project is successful? At first, the communication skill. Communication is one of the crucial skills of leadership. When managing core team members or working with others, communication is essential. Everyone must be on the same page and working toward the same objective for work to proceed smoothly. The team members won't know what to do or how to do their task if communication is inadequate. Next is time management. Naturally, one of the most important aspects of a leader is scheduling all the works. Every project has a deadline. Therefore, a lot of things need to be get done quickly. Leaders need to be able to establish a timeline for the project and uphold those deadlines throughout the project's lifespan. Next, adaptability. Ability to adapt changes in any environment depends on the adaptability skills. Leaders and the team members need to be flexible enough to adjust to changing the demographics, new technology, and other factors. At the material level, this is a particularly crucial talent because it will guide the entire team in the right path. Next is problem solving. The project leader and team members must improve their problem solving abilities. This ability is crucial since it will enable the team to resolve problems that develop in challenging tasks. It is needed that the team members consult the various project documentation for this and take note of how the project team members handle problems in their project. Next, what are the critical qualities of an effective leader to ensure the project success? At first, the critical thinking. All professionals could benefit from studying critical thinking, but it is especially helpful in the field of project management. The greatest leaders apply their critical thinking abilities to stay clear of challenging and unclear assignments. Leaders have to be able to handle complicated challenges while delivering outcomes on schedule and within budget by keeping objective and reviewing the facts and evaluating alternatives. Next is conflict management. Leaders who are responsible for keeping their teams productive and harmonious need to possess strong conflict management abilities. In order to resolve additional internal or external setbacks, conflict management and resolution skills are crucial. Next is risk management. Risks are unavoidable during a project. Even their leader must to have expertise and skills to identify potential problems and put a risk minimization plan in place. They need to be able to challenge the team's assumption and repeatedly affirm deadlines, choices, and dependencies. Next, leaders need to be highly organized to make sure that procedures are followed and that everyone is working toward the same objective. This includes being able to multitask, but it also entails setting priorities, dividing up projects, and recording everything for quick access and future use. So, relevant example of my leadership contribution. At first, as a leader, I'm not simply accountable for managing my own workload and maintaining my own organization. I have to manage the team's workload also. I have planned and scheduled our group meeting with other team members to keep our project on track. Additionally, I have to manage the team members' work to make sure every task are finished in time. Next, in order to review and approve the work of other team members, the team leader must have a thorough understanding of the project. In order to review the work of the other team members, I made sure to do this. Next, the most important skill for a leader is the effective communication. When managing co-workers, communication is essential. I have communicated with all the members by using Telegram and Google Meet throughout the whole project to make sure everything is running smoothly and perfectly. So yeah, that's all for my leadership video. Thank you, Doctor.